So I think it's like well known that we're always at Taco Bell. Always.
Why don't you get it?
I don't want to wear it. I want you to wear it. How about this? We're in Goodwill, everyone. Goodwill vlogging. Vlogging while in Goodwill. So that's what people do. Hi, my name is Marisa, and I am very hungry and tired. And I have a headache. A bad headache. Hey, Simba. I ain't even close to you, and I can see you. I can see you. I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. I'm happy again. Simba got closer as I started singing, and he's crawling over here to see what's going on. And I'm just singing, singing in the rain. Boo. Sit. Lay. Come on, lay. Lay. Okay, never mind. Come on. Speak. 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 Come on. Come on. Sit. Lay. What?
Oh my god, you're kawaii, you're kawaii, oh my god, you're kawaii.
Did you hear Balto, baby?
What?
Did you hear him?
What? He howled?
Yeah.
Did you howl?
And I caught it on video.
You did?
Yeah. Come on.
That's awesome, babe.
The sky is just so beautiful. Look at this. This beautiful sky. Oh, what do you do? Oh no! Oh, oh. All right, goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody.
I saw the Asian one.
I'm daily vlogging.
Woo, daily vlog.
Amber's eating my Heath bar cookies. I paid $5 for it. Why are you sighing?
What's American Horror Story?
It's a shame.
I'm stupid. Weeds watch? Let's watch Weed Wars.
We're trying to find something to watch on Netflix that's scary and that we haven't seen before.
Oh god, spicy. Ah! What about Fairy Tale?
For real?
What about Apocalypse Now?
Oh my god. For real?
Y'all want to watch La Bamba?